If you need to find a Telegram bot chat ID, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get the Telegram bot chat ID in just a few taps, even if you're a complete beginner. This is useful if you're setting up automations, connecting Telegram to other apps, or configuring a bot and need the correct ID to keep everything working properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your phone or desktop and go to the search bar at the top. In the search field, type at userinfobot. Make sure you search for the exact bot name so you can find the correct result quickly. Once it appears in the results, tap on at userinfobot to open the chat. After the chat opens, you'll see the start button, or you can type /start into the message box and send it. This tells the bot to begin and display your information. As soon as you start the bot, it will show a list of available options. From there, click the bot option from the provided choices. Then select the bot from the results that appear on screen. After that, the bot will display the chat ID or bot ID that you need. Take note of that number because this is the value you can use for integrations, automation tools, or bot settings. If you don't see the result immediately, wait a moment and make sure you selected the correct bot from the list. Sometimes Telegram shows multiple matches, so choosing the exact one matters. And that's it. You now know how to find a Telegram bot chat ID using at userinfobot. If this walkthrough helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.